Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to save and back up your world in Minecraft Bedrock Pocket Edition. Alright, so let's begin. To do this, first press the escape key on your keyboard and select save and quit to exit the world safely. Once you're back on the world screen, locate the world you want to work with and click the edit button. This will open the world settings page. Scroll down through the settings until you find the delete world option. Click on it and Minecraft will ask you to confirm the action. Select delete again to proceed. After that, return to your list of worlds and click the pencil icon next to the world once more. This time, scroll down and select duplicate or copy world option. Minecraft will create an exact copy of the selected world, including its settings, structures, and progress. Once the duplication process is complete, you'll see the newly created copy appear in your worlds list. Simply open the duplicated world and continue playing as normal. And that's it. This is how you can save and back up your world in Minecraft Bedrock Pocket Edition. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.